I'm sorry, I'm trying to get this group going here. Here's Michael Ray, he actually made it. As did the rest of our party team to the waterfall of Steward Springs Cave, Alabama. Destination Fall. About a 35-foot waterfall. Beautiful formation area. Here's the group that made it. Mark Medlin, Christine Medlin, right? Okay. Benji Von Kramer. Yeah, there's more passage up there, but it doubles back. And Gene Reed. And of course, wow. Hope this turns out. Here we have some beautiful formations back in this area. Really well decorated area of the cave. Big canyon. And of course the top of the waterfall has not been explored. We don't know. The passage may go for another mile up there. Who knows? So Gene here is gonna bring bolting gear back here and a rope. And he's gonna climb it one day. Ain't that right, Gene? Probably not. Now you see why I was reluctant to even think about doing something like that. It is.